Watch for 10 minutes cinema. Is this with really angry Australians? Zed's new album, haven't heard it. Why is it blue? Why is his camera blue? Holy shit. Damn.
Oh my god.
Maybe don't run a red light next time, idiota. 27 minutes. We don't have to watch the whole thing. Coming through.
He did.
Oh, it's a cop chase.
Tomorrow, cloudy and 25. Right now, a way to go before we hit that top temp. It's still only 19. Only Kiss can throw you and all your
Yo,
friends.
hello? Maybe get out of the way? Or just stand there?
Roll of tickets to see her Eras to
Oh, he got so lucky. What the fuck?
Listen at 8 and all day today on Kiss 1011.
Oh my god.
The real value of your home.
Damn. Bro, what the fuck are these people doing?
Video protected.
Huh. Yeah, I would have been happy there that I had a dash cam, considering he went into the other car.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Oh. Oh, fuck.
You fucking moron!
What brand of car is that? What is that?
Fucking moron!
Lada? Oh. Who's that behind you? That's our token ghost that lives here in the house. No audio?
Yes.
We need to hear the impacts.
Oh, you fucking idiots.
LDV, it's a Chinese car. Okay.
The game on Saturday, Sunday afternoon, Suns Essendon game, remember. Being done both at Giant.
Ooh!
Playing for a place in the
Dude! Wait, what? Oh, the guy hit from behind, okay. Damn, shout out to that truck that flashed. I had a similar thing happen a while back. A car flashed me because there was a fucking horse on the road. Or like a wild horse.
Playing for a place in the
Damn, but that guy did not slow down. Which was really good. Hi, Kochbold. What the? Damn. Either on their phone or falling asleep. Oh.
It's Christmas.
Damn. Oh, is this the same incident? Wow, everyone's got a fucking dash cam.
Jesus Christ!
Emergency video.
Emergency video. Shadow of the Abyss and SpongeBob. Thank you guys so much for resubscribing. Welcome back. Dude, how many angles do we have of this? Sorry, you can't park here. And rear-ended. Oh, is this the same footage? Meh.
Oh my god.
On gang.
Meow.
Exactly right. Satisfactory today. Probably not. Yeah, I'm doing Friday review. I'm doing Friday trivia. And then I'm doing some party games. I'm probably offline chat trivia game again. Something else perhaps. And then I'll probably hop on FC25 for a bit. I think that's mostly the plan today. Da da da. Oh, what the dog doing? Oh no. Boop. eFootball today. I played a bunch of eFootball. It was very enjoyable, but now I'm ready to try a different game. Now I'm all warmed up. My video for Friday review may have submitted multiple times. Okay, no worries. Bonk.
I'm going to speak for Kent here, Sharon, that when you give a gift to your beloved,
Do this IRL beer
you
cats.
can never ever appear to have gone the cheaper option.
This video not that interesting. Wait, actually, let's just use this these hills to look at the most notable clips. Uh-oh. Oh, shit! Oh, you guys didn't see, did you? He hit a guy. On a scooter. He looks fine, though. He's fine. Damn. And then, here.
Right onto the slip road to Metropolitan Ring Road. Oh, fuck!
Whoa!
Oh my god!
Baby, you're a firework. Oh no, 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 no! Are you stupid? Jesus, dude.
I don't know. You can tell that they.
Oh shit!
Oh.
Oops.
Fuck.
My cousin from Italy, they won with the boat, so I'm gonna just hang on, wait till he
Oh,
goes.
shit.
Maybe April.
Fucking hell.
Fucking hell. Wait, maybe this was the one. Oh, that's the same crash, different angle. Damn, that's a lot of glass. What a glass hole. Would ya believe it? There's a best of internet daily notes. There's the new unusual memes. This thing looks insane.